Slide number 17. Before learning the theory of music, you must know that what is the meaning of octaves of a piano or a keyboard. In music, every movement that you make on the keyboard or instrument, we call it as half step. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. So this is the ascending way I moved half step, which is also called symmetry. If I come backwards, I will call it as flattening of the sound or lowering of the pitch. So C, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E flat, D, D flat, C. So we came descending to know how we named the same black keys as a flat, while ascending how we named it as a sharp. So this is the fundamental before we move on to learn the complete theory of music. So from this C to this C is called the octave. If this D to this D is called the octave of D. Like that, for every sound, the higher sound, lower sound, we call octave. Normal sound, higher sound is octave. E, F, G flat, D, D sharp, A, B flat, B, C. Now this C is not octave, but it is the next octave. So 1, 2, second octave. So it's like goes on. So before you learn the music, the theory of music, you should know the half step and the octaves.